this part wasn't going to be part of the video, but I'm going to tell you anyways. If you ever have your handle, let's say you've got your handle on there, and when you turn it, see when you turn it, you should be able to turn it at a 45 both directions. See, that's cold like that, and hot is over here. Sometimes I've seen these where hot is maybe just to there, and then people complain, hey, how come I can't get any hotter? Well, because there's something in there, this little red collar, and you can move it both directions, and then you can adjust this handle, how far you can go to the hot, how far you can go to the cold. That's slick. I've had to do that on quite a few different showers, people complaining, and I just wanted to show you that little tip. Okay, enough of that. Back to the project at hand. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.